This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Most human actions and decisions have effects, even if people are not able to recognize all changes. Climate change is one such outcome, and multiple debates are developed on this topic. Some people support the opinion that global warming remains a serious problem, while others define other sources in their studies. This essay aims to discuss climate change and its influence on human life either as a real or presumptive threat. It is wrong to neglect the fact that climate change has a specific impact on global biodiversity. Many researchers discuss its threat and other characteristics by analyzing species responses and applying different ecological and molecular approaches. Climate change means various weather and temperature shifts, which create new living requirements for wildlife populations and habitats. When a sea rises over its normal levels, such a hazard cannot be neglected. At the same time, climate change alone may hardly cause all those unfavorable conditions. Some journalists admit that a real threat comes from other sources like politics, economics, and immigration. Schellenberger questions the worth of all those apocalyptical statements that distract people from other serious issues. Climate change is a threat, but its impact is not as critical as wrong political decisions, poor social support, and unstable economics. People like to think that their activities do not cause harm but provoke their development and life quality improvement. No credible academic source says that climate change is the end of the world or, at least, the collapse of civilization. Modern citizens should not be afraid that natural hazards only could vanquish their children in the future. Still, these statements cannot serve as a motivational factor to continue destructing and disrespecting nature. The end of this brief debate about the impact of climate change on people remains ambiguous. People may consider unpredictable and harsh weather as a sign of human mistakes and disgrace. However, a person is not obliged to believe that climate change is a real threat. Many other factors put human life at risk, and it is recommended to pay attention to political, economic, and social relationships. This essay on Is Climate Change a Real Threat? Was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.